Just yell bonsai, that's great. He was actually going to bayonet charge him. That's great. Moving up right. Oh shit. Yeah. Just not. Oh God, hit. Oh shit. Hit. Oh wait, yeah, no, I see something. Ah, super mag. You know, fuck it. We got one right behind the little brush fort right there. The brush fort right there. Got one on right. Gotcha. Keep low, keep low. Moving up and right. Remember, I'm right behind you, so keep your head down. I think it might be Cody. I don't know. Was that you? Oh, it was Michael. Oh my God. Oh shit. Pretty sure he got shot, Jake. I'm getting shot at a lot over here. You hit? Oh, hey. Watch out on your right. I see him. I see one of them moving right there on your right. I think that's someone anyway. I'm pretty sure. Yep, that is. Oh shit, I almost shot you. Caleb, did you hear that? Jake. Jake. Cody said they're starting to stack up in the tree fort. Yeah, they've got a lot in that fort over there. Gun jammed. Oh shit! They don't like us moving, I think is what I'm gathering from this. Right behind Jake. Ay, ay, ay. I have to clean all these. Keep an eye on them right, Jake. We all know you would. Great minds think alike, Michael. Good. Give it to him. Give it to him hard. Who, us over here? It's called tactical withdrawal. All right. I got one. Watch out, fire to the right. We got. I got movement behind the fort over there. I don't see anyone else. Tire fort. Moving across. Shit. On left, on left. Oh shit. We got one up on left. Moving up on left over here. Move back. He's too far forward on. He's too far forward on our right. Well, I'm almost out. Two of my mags friggin' malfunctioned on me. No, he doesn't! Yep, got another one moving left. What the fuck is that I'm hearing? Yep. Got one behind a tree, one moving further up left. Yeah, I just caught a flash of movement. Heading back off that way. I can see him moving through the trees. Caleb's still off doing what he's doing. Up, they've got two more moving across. Oh my god. Why? Why must my mags do this to me? I've already had two others freaking shit out on me. What's up? What'd you say, get right there? Yeah, I noticed. I noticed a flash heading back. It's one of theirs, looks like he got hit. Sniper right there is one of theirs too. They were trying to head around also. Oh, yep. Oh, there's Caleb. What?
Yeah. They're
Yeah, we've got plenty of guys over here. Yeah, I think about half their team went to move around. I've got mine. Putting that train to good use, aren't you? Caleb, putting that train to good use, aren't you? Putting that train to good use, aren't you? I've got like 3 or 4. I've got like 3 or 4 kills. That's nice. I can't see anyone else over there. Wait, where are y'all going? Yeah, I'm seeing a move over there. Yeah, they split up in 2 groups. They're all over there behind the tree fort. And we've got fighting going on over there, over here to our left. Yeah, they know we're over here. Probably because I'm just standing out here looking conspicuous. Yeah, they split up into 2 groups. They tried to move up, but then they scattered back into cover. They got the ones on our left, Michael. They got the ones on our left. Right over here, yeah. That's what Cody just transmitted. What? Where are you coming down? All right. Got it. Yep. God damn it. I'm doing so from here in the cover. Oh.